What if I told you that you can make a significant income from just handling administrative tasks virtually? In today's video, we're diving deep into the profitable world of virtual assistants and how mastering administrative tasks can be your ticket to steady online income. We'll unravel the secrets, tools, and strategies that top-earning virtual assistants swear by. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to kickstart your journey in this field. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing a golden tip that has personally helped me double my earnings as a virtual assistant in just 2 months. In the expanding digital world, virtual assistance has emerged as a sought-after profession. It's not just about managing emails or scheduling appointments anymore. Virtual assistants today handle everything from content management, customer service, to even social media strategies. There is a special thing that you didn't know about, but we will talk about that later in the video. Virtual assistants, VA, is a rapidly growing field due to the shift towards remote work and the increasing demand for online services. If you're looking to monetize your skills in this area, here are some detailed strategies. Specialize in a niche. While general administrative tasks are common in VA work, specializing can set you apart and potentially command higher rates. Some niches include real estate VA, assisting realtors with listings, follow-ups, and appointment bookings. E-commerce VA, managing product listings, customer inquiries, and order processing. Content management VA, scheduling posts, managing a content calendar, and overseeing comments or engagement. Technical VA, handling website maintenance, minor coding tasks, or email list management. Offer packages. Instead of just hourly rates, consider offering task or project-based packages. For example, a monthly retainer could include specific services like email management, calendar scheduling, and a set number of administrative tasks. Utilize freelance platforms. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and Guru can be starting points to acquire clients. Build a strong profile, gather reviews, and use these platforms to establish your client base. Diversify client acquisition strategies. Apart from freelancing platforms, consider cold emailing. Target businesses that might need VA services and introduce yourself. Webinars. Offer free webinars on topics you excel in, subtly marketing your VA services. Local networking. Attend local business events or workshops. Develop a strong online presence. Create a professional website to showcase your services, skills, testimonials, and portfolio. Active engagement on LinkedIn and other social media platforms can also help in networking and client acquisition. Continuous learning and upskilling. Stay updated with the latest tools and software. Courses on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Skillshare can enhance your skill set. The more skills you have, the broader your service range and the higher the rates you can command. Affiliate commissions. If you're using specific software or platforms for your VA tasks, check if they have an affiliate program. Recommending these tools to clients or others can generate extra income. Set clear boundaries. Always have a clear contract with terms of service, payment agreements, and boundaries for communication. This ensures clarity and can help avoid disputes, leading to sustained client relationships. Join virtual assistant networks. Networks or associations for VAS can offer support, resources, and potential client leads. Examples include the International Virtual Assistants Association, IVAA. Upsell or cross-sell services. If you offer multiple services, always look for opportunities to upsell, offering a higher-tiered service, or cross-sell, offering a complementary service. For instance, if you're managing a client's email, you might also offer calendar scheduling. Offer consultations. As you gain experience, you might find opportunities to consult for businesses on how to optimize their processes, recommend tools, or train their in-house assistants. Maintain excellent client relationships. Referrals can be a goldmine in the VA business. Delivering quality work, being communicative, and consistently exceeding expectations can lead to clients referring you to their peers. Set competitive pricing. Regularly review your pricing. As you gain more experience and skills, adjust your rates accordingly. Don't undersell your services, but be aware of the market rate. Advanced services. Once you have experience, think about services that require a higher level of expertise. Project management. Coordinate between teams, manage deadlines, and oversee project completion. Event planning. Assist in organizing webinars, workshops, or even physical events. Course creation. Help influencers or experts design and deploy their online courses. Retainer agreements. Instead of one-off tasks, try to negotiate monthly retainer agreements. This ensures consistent income and also helps in better workload management. Multi-language proficiency. Being proficient in multiple languages can open doors to international clients, especially in non-English speaking countries looking for bilingual assistance. Maximizing earnings and building a sustainable virtual assistance career. Establishing a strong online presence. Website. Develop a professional website that showcases your services, client testimonials, portfolio, and a blog to demonstrate expertise. Social media. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, or Twitter to share valuable insights, case studies, and network with potential clients. Guest blogging. Write articles for well-known industry blogs. This not only enhances your credibility but can also direct potential clients to your services. Upskilling. Never stop learning. The digital space is constantly evolving. Certifications. Enroll in courses or certifications that add value to your skills. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare offer numerous courses tailored for VAS. Webinars. Attend webinars to stay updated on industry best practices and to network. Networking. Online communities. Join VA communities and forums. It's a great place to share experiences, ask questions, and even find clients. Referrals. Offer incentives or discounts to existing clients who refer new clients to you. Streamline your work process. Automation tools. Use tools like Zapier to automate repetitive tasks. Time management. Embrace techniques like the Pomodoro technique to enhance productivity. Setting clear boundaries. Contracts. Always have clear contracts detailing the scope of work, payment terms, and other essentials. Availability. Specify your working hours and adhere to them. Avoid the temptation to be available 24/7. Value your work. Pricing strategy. Review your pricing periodically. As your skills and experience grow, adjust your rates accordingly. Don't undersell your services. Client reviews. Regularly ask for feedback and testimonials. Positive testimonials can be a powerful tool in acquiring new clients. Take care of your well-being. Remember, the most vital asset in your business is you. Breaks. Ensure regular breaks to avoid burnout. Continuous growth. Invest in personal growth. Read, meditate, exercise, whatever helps you stay in top form. Prepare for the future. Savings. Set aside a part of your earnings for unforeseen circumstances or lean periods. Retirement planning. Even as a freelancer, think about retirement. Invest in retirement funds or plans suitable for self-employed individuals. In conclusion, building a successful and lucrative career in virtual assistance requires a blend of skill enhancement, effective marketing, and astute business management. The industry is ripe with opportunities, but standing out and consistently delivering quality will be key to long-term success. Before we wrap up, make sure to check out our other videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content on making money online. Give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and turn on post notifications so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching.